Today we're going to look at a very important topic. It's called rearrange your notes into a snowman. Okay, so first of all, you need to draw a snowman. Your lowest note is called root. So root is spelled as R-O-O-T. The one in the middle is called middle. And the one at the highest is called highest. So basically you have three notes, okay? In order to rearrange into snowman, you should memorize this, okay? So this is a table. You start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Your last note is G because after G, you're going to repeat A again. And this is only 7 of them, okay? So from the A, you're going to go to your piano. A, C, E. Basically, you're looking for the notes that you've been playing with your finger 5, 3, 1 of your left hand. So this is A. A is A, C, E. If you want, you should add one more. A, C, E, G. This will be very useful for level 4 and up because you learn dominant 7. Okay? So if it's B, then you start from B. Remember to skip. If you notice, I skip this note, I skip this note, I skip this note. So you have B, D, F, A. So eventually you're going to memorize this. B, D, F, A in the parentheses. Okay? C is C, E, G, B. D is D, F, A. C, E is E, G, B, D. So eventually you will just memorize it. Let's double check the E one, okay? So E, G, B, D. E, G, B, D. Okay? Then you have F, A, C, E, G, B, D, F. This is the whole thing that you need to memorize, okay? Then we're going to look at your level 5, page 31. We're going to look at this number 5. Name the root of each box triad. Tell whether if they are major, minor, or dominant 7. So measure 1. So measure 1, there's a box here. You have, start from your lowest one, you have A, C, E, E. A, C, E, E. Write down all the notes. This can be rearranged into A, C, E. Remember, you don't need to use all 4. The last rows is only for the dominant 7. So in this case, it's only ACE. ACE, okay? Then over here at your page, you're going to draw a snowman that rearrange. Every time you rearrange, you always start from your root. A, C, E. Okay? Then this is the next one, okay? So this is measure 3. So name the note first. That one is A. If you cannot name the notes correct, then you know your answer is wrong. Then that one is D, that one is F, and this one is D again. So all A, D, F, D. Rearrange to which one? So you compare. You find A. There's an A here, there's an A here, there's an A here. But this line has the D and F as well. So you rearrange it to D, F, A. Do you need C? No, because over here, there's no C. So the answer for this is D, F, A. So I'm going to draw snowman again. Your D, F, A start from lowest. Start from the root. D, F, A. Okay. Then this is the last one. So you need 3 snowmen. Okay. So you do all the snowmen. Then you're going to find out the answer over here at number 5. So over here you have, this is E. Your lowest note is E. Then you have G sharp. Did you see there's a sharp, right? Then there's a D. Then there's a B. So you have E, G, D, B. So I'm going to find E. There's a E here. There's a G. G and G sharp acts the same. You have B here. You have D here. In this case, you're using all 4. Then you know to draw 4 circles instead of just 3 circles. Because now you need 4. E, G sharp, B. So B comes first. Then D goes there. Because it says right, E, G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, D. D is the last one. Okay, once you got all your snowman, you're going to look in the very beginning, no sharps, no flats, so you don't need to put any sharps or any flats over here. Okay, then you can answer the question. Okay, so the question say measure 1, your root is A, so you write A here. Then you need to count from A, always count from your root to the middle. A to C, let's see, how many half step? AC, 1, 2, 3, 3 half step. Let's write 3 like this so that we know it's 3 half step. 3 half step is minor. Okay, then you're going to count from D to F. 1, 2, 3, 3 half step. 3 half steps is minor again. What minor? Always go with your root, okay? So D minor. Measure 4 over here. Okay? So if you have 4 notes, you don't need to count. Okay? Just go, this is E. And dominant 7, right? D-O-M and then the 7. Okay? Then over here. Number 6. How do you describe all this? Okay? Secondary triad. Secondary triad we learn is 2, 3, 6, and 7. Enharmonic triads. Enharmonic triads means, let's say if you have a C sharp, C, E, G, all sharps. The C sharp is going to enharmonic with D flat, F, and A. So these two are enharmonic because C sharp and D flat, C sharp and D flat is the same, enharmonic. C sharp and the D flat the same, E sharp and the F is the same, G sharp and the A flat is the same. So if you play this, it's going to sound the same as you play that. So let me show you. And the same, exactly the same. So that is what enharmonic triads means. Okay, primary triad is your 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Authentic cadence is 5, 1. Remember authentic cadence? Okay. So over here, how do you know which one to pick? So you're going to look, is A, D, E in the key of, at number 1, you're going to answer no sharps, no flat. You have 2 possibilities. Either C major or A minor. In this case, you're going to pick A because your first and lowest note is A. So no C major, just A minor. So if you are having A minor, then you should write A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have, just look at the root, A, D, E. A, D, E. Is it 1, 4, 5? Yes, the answer is 1, 4, 5. So you pick primary triads. Okay? And all this, you should do it by yourself. Okay? So one more thing. What is the difference between sequence and imitation? This is number 3, okay? So you know repetition. Repetition is repeat. Then repeat. If it is sequence, is that one is sequence. Sequence is repeat, but in different notes. Repeat the same pattern in different notes. Okay, here comes the imitation. Left hand imitate. So when the other hand play exactly the same thing, you call it imitation. Okay, so you're going to answer all this. Okay, have fun.